Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. You know, it is Wednesday and I wanted something easy but delicious, so I decided to make up this one pan paprika chicken. Came out, believe me, absolutely incredible. You simply have to make it, so let me show you how to do it. Alrighty then, the first thing we're going to do is grab up about 6 skinless chicken thighs and throw them into a good old Ziploc bag. Follow this with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Then a tablespoon of smoked paprika, and if you can use the smoked stuff, guys, it is really good, but if not, just use a regular paprika. A tablespoon of minced garlic. You don't mean my garlic. I just love it because it keeps vampires and certain illnesses away. A couple of teaspoons of ground black pepper. I'm always heavy on the pepper, but you know, you can cut back a bit if you like. Then a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme. And last but not least, about a teaspoon of the good old saltation or salt. Alright, we'll just go ahead and seal this bag up. Then just use our hands and massage all that seasoning into the meat until it's completely covered. And of course, if you don't want to use a Ziploc bag, just use a bowl, but I just like the idea of the Ziploc bag. It just seems easier. I don't know, you let me know. Alrighty then, next up we're going to fire up the old stove and get a pan over medium-high heat. Throw in about a tablespoon of oil. Throw the chicken in, and I'm going to fry this, I guess for just a few minutes on each side. I guess 4 or 5 minutes, just to the point where it begins to brown up. So if you take a look at this, guys, as I flip it, there's a nice sear on there, and it's beginning to turn red from that paprika on, and this is looking good. But that's about the color you want right about here. And I just have to tell you guys about this comment I got. Somebody made the comment, some guy I assume, he says, "You do nothing but imitate other channels. This is exactly what Sam the Cooking Guy does." Well, I don't even know Sam the Cooking Guy. I don't watch him, but is that the impression you get from my channel, that I just imitate other people? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. I guess it takes all to make the world go round. Anyway, our chicken is looking mighty good here. Very paprika-like, I think. So what we're going to do now is go in with a small chopped onion, a cup of baby carrots. I like the baby carrots, but you can just use regular carrots. I guess this is what Sam the Cooking Guy would do. Okay, I'll stop it. About 10 baby carrots that I've cut in half. I notice they're kind of a cool multicolored. Then we'll just grab up a couple of spoons and toss everything together until it's nicely combined. But isn't this looking really good, guys? I think it's gonna be a mighty fine paprika chicken, if you ask me. Okay, so next up we're going in with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Once again, a tossing we will go until that flour coats everything. And of course we'll just toss and fry for a few minutes until that flour is cooked through. Now we're gonna go in with a cup of chicken stock. Give it a stir around, and we're going to reduce the heat and let this simmer away on low heat, or low medium I guess, for about 20 minutes. You can slip a lid on too if you like. Which is precisely what I'm going to do. After about 20 minutes, my friends, we is done it, and just look at this. Doesn't this look absolutely spectacular? Oh, I'll bet you this is going to be so good. And we are pretty much done cooking, but don't go away yet. Don't start clicking stuff yet, because we still have to plate this up. So let's get some of that chicken on the side of that plate. Oh man, this is looking good. Don't you think so? Now we have to get a few of those taters on the side. And of course, some of those baby carrots to make everything complete. And no, I did not forget some of that delicious sauce over top of everything. And this time, you know what? I think I'm going to garnish things up with a little bit of thyme, because I think thyme goes fairly well with chicken. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. And there you have it, guys. Our simple, easy, and ever so delicious midweek paprika chicken. And when you bite into this, guys, it is mouth-watering. The chicken is tender. Those flavors are absolutely wonderful. The potatoes on the side, the carrots, it is just great. And if you try it, leave us a comment and also give us a like, because it does help the channel out. And most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll catch you next time.